I apologize about that. It looks like Ustream cut out. Since it cut out in the middle, we're gonna start over from scratch. We'll randomize the original list 5 times. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy this list and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. And we'll start off with the 2013 Platinum. And good luck, everybody. Brian Arapo, Brandon Pettigrew, D'Angelo Williams, Tyler Eifert, and Victor Cruz. Ryan Matthews, Roddy White, Danny Amendola, Joseph Randall, and Andre Johnson. For the Bengals, Rex Burkhead. And we'll get a 1 touch for that one. First hit going to the Broncos, Money Ball, rookie auto 3 color patch, 16 out of 125. Broncos going to Tad tonight. Congratulations. Trent Richardson, Darren Sproles, Jamal Charles, Zeke Moda on card rookie auto, going to Brian F. and Darrell Revis. Dez Bryant, Julius Peppers, Big Ben, Matt Barkley, and Reggie Wayne. Brandon Whedon, Stephen Ridley, AJ Green, Eddie Lacy, and Troy Polamalu. Jake Cutler, Marshawn Lynch, J.J. Watt, Tyrone Gord, and Randall Cobb. Calvin Johnson, Kyle Rudolph, Doug Martin, Ezekiel Ansah, and Danny Amendola. Darrell Revis, Matt Forte, Geno Smith, Camouflage rookie die cut. And Jets going to Robert R., Quentin Patton, and Doug Martin. Josh Freeman, Cam Newton, Von Miller, Aaron Dobson, and Eli Manning. Antonio Gates, LaShawn McCoy, Carson Palmer, Bajan Warner, and Andy Dalton. Matthew Stafford, Jeremy Curley, Jake Locker, Mike Leslie, and Michael Vick. Andre Johnson, Arian Foster, Eric Decker, Tyler Wilson, and Roddy White. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Peyton Manning, Sam Bradford, Manti Te'o, and Jason Witten. Drew Brees, Vernon Davis, Alfred Morris, Aaron Millette, and Deshaun Jackson. Ray Rice, Owen Daniels, Tom Brady, Landry Jones, and Brian Orakpo. Andy Dalton, Victor Cruz, Matt Ryan, Joseph Randall, and AJ Green. Chris Johnson, Michael Vick, Troy Polamalu, Rex Burkhead, and Demarius Thomas. Justin Blackman, Russell Wilson, CJ Spiller, rookie on card auto for the Bengals, Rex Burkhead. Bengals going to Dave, and Peyton Manning. Joe Flacco, Greg Jennings, Steve Smith, Theo Reddick, and Von Miller. Next, we'll go to the 2011 Absolute Memorabilia. Their checklist.